I have been downstairs in my bedroom and everything, and he's still not done. You gotta pick up the toys and play with them, right? Before you put them away. What the hell is this?
Where I've been putting my dirty clothes.
Where you been putting your dirty clothes? Is that where dirty clothes?
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. The message you are hearing is part of a nationwide live code test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
And let your hand drift across the canvas.
Rewind time, everyone. Rewind time, everybody.
So guys, we did it!
I'm a good gnome.
I'll be Bastion. You're Renzo Winston. I wanna be Winston. I guess I'll be Genji. I'm already Genji.
Ah, that's hot. Ah, that's hot.